Welcome, and this is our revamped version of the front page of the website, and the goal here is to give you as much information as possible about what we have going on in the Academy. I have put here on the left side of the screen a variety of buttons that I think will be of interest to students and to parents, and then as you make changes here, you will see changes over here, and I'll be adding videos as we go, but just to give you a few items, the ones that are in gray are ones that I'm working on behind the scenes, and so if there's something that you think would be really interesting, like meeting the families who are part of it, or learning about this thing that we call Why Not University, or learning about other ways that the different ways that students can connect with each other, or the leadership opportunities that are available for students in the Academy, just check back because we're adding those. Another thing that's sort of fun is this Customize Your Experience. This is a way for you to answer a few questions and then have the website get to know you and give you information that would be of value specifically to your type students' learning styles, or your teaching style, or your students' different interests, etc. But let's go over the things that we have now here. One is you're going to be able to see a tour of the different things in the Academy. And what we've broken that down into different categories are classes, clubs, activities or programs, the community itself, the different trainers and quiz review tools that are available, tools for curriculum planning and management support, and then progress reports and evidence of progress that you can use. So if you click on any one of these, you'll be able to learn more about any of those particular items. Then the big thing I would say that we've added here, that I've added here, is a bigger detail. And so for each of these, this is really where people have asked me, I say, oh, we have all these activities, but when people want to know more about each one, I've tried to break that down. And so for each one, if you click on it, you will see a video, if I have developed one, which explains a little bit more about it, maybe even shows a little bit about what's going on in the Academy. It will say when that is available. For instance, some things are ongoing, some things start every 2 weeks, some things start every month, some things are only going to be available once per term. How does my student participate? Is it something where they have to be available live, or do they have to, can they take it like self-paced, like the HTML class? What's the time commitment? That's a question I get a lot, how long do the lessons take, etc. And then this is something I've added here, which is what skills are developed. So I've tried to break down for each one, just thinking through some of these skills that students are going to be using in that particular club or activity. You'll see some of these are just demonstrations, one like science. And then this is what is the student, what can the student expect, or what can you expect in terms of communication between students, in terms of feedback, in terms of if there are any projects, etc. So this is related activities. So for instance, the kids can chat with each other, they can send messages, they can rate each other as players, they can get a certificate of participation or achievement, you can see standings, and then there are lesson videos. So for each activity, you should be able to go down and see, let's get into Young Programmers Club. You can see what skills are developed: logic, programming, project management, problem solving, research, what subjects are touched, and then related activities. And then it should also give price. The most activities, in fact, all of the activities or classes are free. If you're a member of the charter class, the Oleary 100, we do have some costs. There are costs associated with classes and activities if you're not one of the member of the Charter 100. Okay, so this should really help you understand what it is that we're doing in the Academy and see if this is something that's right for you.